Hi guys, today we are going to see the few of the errors that we generally receive when we run the test runner utility from the command line or via SoapUI. So these errors may or may not prevent you from running your test suite, but it definitely doesn't look good when you open the log file and you see many errors uh, which are spoiling your appearance of that full log file. So we will just first see what are the different that we what are the different error that we see, and then we'll see how to resolve them. So I'm gonna run the one sample test runner utility from this. So of course, if you are working on SoapUI tool, then you must be knowing that it takes some amount of time to initialize the SoapUI settings and apply them, though essentially it does not take that much of time when it actually runs those test tools or test cases. This is a one-time activity, and it will not hamper your performance when you are actually running your test suite. So as you can see, there are a number of, I'll just stop the execution so that we can see what are the errors that we are receiving. So you might get this kind of error that class not found exception for this auto discovery method factory, and you will see multiple errors which are uh, giving the same kind of error message. Obviously it will, as I so if I resume my job, then if resume job, then it will the test suite will definitely run, but but it will definitely doesn't look good when you look at this log. So let's see uh, how we can get away with this error, and uh, how we can get over this error. So guys, the trick here is simple, that when actually SoapUI get installed on your machine, then it in user directory it creates a particular directory where it has plugins. So it tries to execute those plugins, and somehow those plugins are mainly uh, created for SoapUI Pro version. And if you are running the SoapUI free version, so in that case it has that kind of a compatibility issues. You can say that it is a kind of a bug in this SoapUI free version which gives this kind of errors. So to prevent this error, you have to go to your user directory. For example, in my case, I'm going to user directory. So here you can see that where is one .soapui os file created, folder created. So just open this file, you will notice there is one plugins directory, and under this plugins directory there are few jar files. So what you have to do is you have to just rename it to anything else. For example, plugins not not in use. So now I will again try to run the uh, test run utility to see if that error has gone or it is still appearing in the logs. So it is initially taking some amount of time to load. That's okay, so it has loaded. So as you can see, now we don't have that particular error in our log file, and as you can see, this log is completely clean. So guys, again I'm repeating what we did to get rid of that error. We went to the user's home directory, and under that home directory we found there is a folder with the name .soapui.os. So we opened, so in case this folder is not visible, you have to make it visible, and in that, if you will have the plugins folder which will contain some of the jars. So we renamed that folder to some different name. So obviously SoapUI has again created the folder with that name, but this time it does not contain any jar files. So these are the so when you will find a plugin folder, you have to rename it to just something else. So this will definitely help you to clean your log files. So I hope this will help you. So let me know in feedback section if this video helped you in getting rid of this particular error. Thank you.